Hi, my name is Coco, and I'm so excited to say that my next solo backpacking trip will be to Southeast Asia. I'm so excited. It's my first time in the region. I've never been to Southeast Asia. I've kind of primarily traveled to Latin America and to Western Europe on occasion, but I thought this would be the perfect time to travel a new part of the world, to really push myself to my limits, because I do suffer from culture shock, especially in places where I don't understand the language, and in the places I'm going to, I can't even read the language or make out what it's saying. So I am based in Las Vegas. My flight to Chicago leaves tomorrow night, May 21st, and then from there, from Chicago, I'm going to have a layover in Zurich, Switzerland, and then from Switzerland, I have about a 16-hour layover, and then I will go from Switzerland to Singapore. From Singapore, I hope to go from Singapore to Malaysia, to Thailand, to Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia, and then back to Thailand to finish out the trip. I have a couple of months off before I jump into my next job, and so I thought this would be the perfect time to backpack a region I have never even thought about going to until fairly recently. So I'm very excited. But this video, however, is going to be about packing my backpack. I primarily do backpacking. I'm not a carry-on person, although I do support people that do that. I just feel the most comfortable carrying a backpack in case there's cobblestones or in case there's stairs. So because of that, I use it's either the Fairpoint or the Fairview. There's like a male and female version of it. I don't know which one mine is, but it's 55 liters. The top is a 10-liter backpack, I believe, and it is detachable, kind of like a good day pack. This is where all my electronics will go, into here. Relatively spacious. It has this secret compartment here, as well as a zipper here. The bigger backpack comes with these, I guess, chest straps, and then these straps that go around your waist that are supposed to sit on your torso. And what I like about this backpack is that you kind of roll it over the straps and then you zip it up. It tucks everything away, so in case you do need to check this, which I usually do check this bag because it's too big to serve as a carry-on and usually too heavy, I like that I can, I guess, unroll the back portion, cover the straps, and then I send it on the way into the airplane, and I know that none of my straps will get messed up. And then usually when it comes off the conveyor belt, all I do is this. Bam, it's a backpack again. So that's why I really like this backpack. I also like it because it opens up clamshell style, so it's not like a top-in backpack where you kind of just have to dig through what you put into your backpack. I like that I can kind of open it all at once and see what I have packed and like where I have my space and storage. It also has this mesh component here. I usually use this for shoes or for underwear. We'll see what I end up using this for. I also very recently started using packing cubes. I got these from my local REI. It's like a pack, so this is the biggest size, the medium size, and then I already went ahead and packed my small size because I don't need you looking at my underwear, but that's the small size. So you can see it's kind of like a variety pack. And I like these because they open up. They also compress, so here's like the extra zipper. Let me show you. So they just got a little bit smaller. I don't know if you can see. And then if you open it up, it obviously gets bigger. So, you know, depending on if you need space or not. I like to use it because it compresses all my stuff to be able to fit into my backpack. All right, let's figure out what I'm gonna take to Southeast Asia.
Wireless surround device. Wireless
Alright everyone, that concludes this packing video. I'm actually just a couple moments away from getting dropped off at the airport. I'm very nervous but very excited. I'm gonna miss my room. I was cleaning it and I was like, oh, I won't see this for a while. Will it be 1 month, 2 months, 3 months? I don't know. Yeah, so I have my big backpack here, my little day pack, and my fanny pack. So I'm pretty much ready to go to the airport. Next stop will be Chicago, then Chicago to Zurich, and then Zurich to Singapore. So join me on this journey and I'll be seeing you in Singapore. Alright, bye!